got a request online. Someone wanted us to do a start to finish repair with Dap Eclipse Rapid wall repair patch, all steps straight through. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now, and let's just get on it. So we've got the patch. I pulled it out here. Here's the little patches. We're going to put these on. I made 2 holes here. You want to make sure you press in the damaged area. This is just would be like a wall anchor hole. Press in the damaged area so nothing's protruding. Did a couple here because we're going to use a mini patch as a Stepsaver Products, and we're just going to do a side by side. We're going to go through. We'll go through them both. I put in here. Our walls are textured, so I put on a smooth piece of drywall here. So to keep it all fair, they don't have a textured patch on the DAP, so we want to stick with the smooth. Simultaneously, we'll do a textured repair here with the textured mini patch. But let's just bang it out and see how it goes. Peel this off. Stick it on. Press outside the damaged area. Press firmly outside the damaged area. We'll do a second one here. Peel it off. Again, center it. Press firmly outside the damaged area. That should do it. Okay, and then we'll grab a mini patch right here. Different variety of shapes, sizes, cracks, wall anchors, gouge, nail holes if you're moving pictures. But anyways, we're going to use a 1.5 inch one here. Peel it off. Stick it on. Press firmly outside the damaged area. And then we'll do a second one here because I want to do one that is direct to paint. Just peel, stick, and paint. And then we're going to do the second one here. We'll skim the edge, which means we're going to fill in just that 3 mils right there. It's 3 mils. We'll just do a little skim of mud around there, and then we'll paint. We'll see how it comes out. That takes care of that. We'll do the textured right here. This is a textured patch because the walls are textured up here. So I banged a hole in here. Same thing, wall anchor size. So we'll peel this one off. Stick it on. Press firmly outside the damaged area. And then when we paint these, we'll paint that piece of cake. All right, I already have the roller here. It's primed. Primed just means that it's already wet. It's not dry. I put paint on it, rolled it on the wall a couple times. We'll give this a go. Okay. Okay, got a little more paint going here. Roll these out. Get that off. A little more room. Piece of cake. All right. Good enough. That looks good enough. We'll let this dry. We'll come back. All right, guys, we're back here to do the next steps. I forgot to put the mud around here like I said I would, so I put an additional patch up here just to kind of give us an idea. So we just kind of skim around the edge. All we're trying to do is fill the lip. Wipe off the patch. You're just trying to fill the surface around where the patch hits the wall. That's it, just that little lip right here. All right, done, done, done. Oh, also right here, peel, stick, and paint, 1 coat. These would be, for a homeowner, would be done. You can also skim if you want after. Like if you do it and you say, hey, I can still see it. You want to do the lip. Same thing. Doesn't hurt if you do it after. No need to sand. You're just filling that little lip. All right, done. Okay, back to the DAP. All right, let's see if we can get this off. Okay, we're supposed to lift this here. Did the same thing it did to me last time. Broke, peeled right down the middle. Okay, we got it though. All right, we'll do this one. Hopefully it doesn't break down the middle. Okay, that one came off cleanly. All right, so we need to do 2 more coats here. So we'll go ahead and do that. All righty, roll a couple coats on there. Do these while we're here. The textured one. All right, we'll come back after the third. All right, guys, this is going to be the quickest part of the video. Third coat per recommendation of Dap. Come back and we'll evaluate. All right, we're here. Let's do a final evaluation here. So we've got the Eclipse patch here, and then we've got the Stepsaver patch. So Stepsaver's peel stick paint. We can see the patch that's right here. Not bad, blended in pretty good. No extra steps, just peel stick and paint, blends, quick repair. And then you've got the 2 Dap patches here. Peel, stick, paint, remove the patch, paint, and paint. We can still see the perimeter of the edge as well as the inner patches here, but it does do the job. It's not completely undetectable, but no one's really going to walk into a room and search out and look for the patches. Now, if you want to do a step here, that's kind of a step adder. That just adds more steps. This actually saves steps. If you want a better result than that, like I was showing earlier, you can just take some drywall mud and go around the patch. The one we have up here is virtually unnoticeable, indetectable. And then we have, as far as textured goes, we've got the textured patch we did here. Dap Eclipse, there's no option for texture, so it's not even an option. You got to go with the Stepsaver products. By design, you obviously can't put a texture on this and then peel it off, so I don't see that ever being a textured option there for you. I'll give you a tip though. If you're going to paint a wall, do a repaint, just paint some of the patches the same color. Peel it off, stick it on paint. Now, obviously this is textured, but it'll be used for holes here. I can pull this nail out here, peel this off, stick it on. It's just a little tip. Good idea in case you're moving pictures or whatever. This is a Stepsaver, and this is actually a step adder. This just adds additional steps for no additional benefit. Stepsaver's products, they're peel and stick wall patch products. These are 100% made in America. The Dap product is made with globally sourced goods. So if you want to support a made in America business and a product that's going to meet your needs, Stepsavers. If you don't mind, you want to pay more money for less repairs than globally sourced product, then Dap's your guy. Go to Home Depot.